Hey, what's up, boys and girls? It's us again at Metz Recreation. It's your girl Lolita. Today we're back with another video, 2-ingredient video to make cake bites with just 2 ingredients, eggs and chocolate. Everything here on the table is what we're going to be needing for the cake bites. We have milk chocolate, Hershey's, that we're going to chop up. If you don't have Hershey bars like this, what would be a lot easier is if you purchase chocolate chips at the grocery store, which will be a lot easier for you to melt in the microwave. We have 4 eggs. We have a pan for the cake bites. If you don't have a pan like this, you can also use a round cake pan for the chocolate cake. We also have some canola oil for this pan. We also have 2 bowls. We have a hand mixer. We have a cup for the egg yolk. And then we also have a knife and a spatula. Alright, next we have some vanilla frosting and some sprinkles. You don't have to use these ingredients, but we just using this because this is what we had here. The first step is, if you don't have chocolate chips at home, you're going to chop up your chocolate so that way it'll be easier to melt in the microwave. As you can see, I'm being safe and I'm kind of pushing my hand with the knife to chop up the chocolates, and then we're just gonna place them in the bowl that we have. So we're just gonna pop this in the microwave, put it on 1 minute. After it's done, we're gonna take it out. It should be melting, and there we have it, some milk chocolate. Next step, we're gonna take our eggs and we're gonna separate those, okay? So we're gonna crack an egg, let the egg white fall. I'm going to dip the egg yolk into a cup separately. This can get kind of messy, so just be careful. Again, have fun with it. Second egg white. Go ahead and dip that in. Let the egg white fall. We're just separating again. And you're going to do it to all 4 eggs. The next step is going to be, you're going to whisk your egg whites. Again, we have it separated, the egg yolk and the egg whites. So with the egg whites, we're just going to mix. Alright, we want to mix that in for about 1.5 to 2 minutes until it gets this little fluffy little texture right here, okay? The next step is you're gonna add the 1 egg yolk at a time, okay? So just a little bit of egg yolk, and then you're gonna start mixing it. All right, then we're gonna add our egg white in there. I'm gonna spray the pan, putting the batter into the cake pan. Good. I'm gonna have the oven baked to 350 for now. Pop those right in. Alright, boys and girls, we just popped these right out of the oven. We're putting some frosting on here. Again, you don't have to put frosting. You can use powdered sugar to go on top of your cake bites. We're gonna add a little bit of these sprinkles on top, you know, just give it a little bit of color and a little bit of taste. And there you go, you guys. We have our 2-ingredient chocolate bites, cake bites. So good. 2-ingredient cake bites, eggs, and chocolate chips, chocolate, whatever you use. If you do have this recipe, post it on your social media, Instagram, Facebook. Make sure you guys subscribe on our video. We have more videos to come in the future. Hashtag Metz Recreation, hashtag Parks and Recs, hashtag Metz is the best.